Have you tried growing things that bolt to seed really quickly in warm weather, like arugula, cilantro, and dill? I'm Christy Wilhelmi from Gardenerd. I'm going to share one strategy with you today that will help you keep them happy longer in warm weather. We're here today in my community garden plot, and I wanted to share one of the really successful strategies that I teach in my online course, Plan Your Abundant Edible Garden, because there are strategies that you can use to allow you to grow things that wouldn't do well ordinarily in a warm and hot season like this. So the strategy is this. Let me orient you first a little bit. So north is this way, which means the sun travels up and across. It's morning and the sun is on my face, up and over that way. And so if you plant something tall in the middle of your bed, like these tomatoes here in this cage, and then on the east side of that, you plant your arugula, cilantro, and dill, and other things like parsley is another one. This area will get morning sun and afternoon shade. You can take this strategy to another level by moving your northernly trellis forward toward the south and placing things behind it so that it gets only dappled sunlight from the crops that are planted on that trellis. For example, when I plant cucumbers, I move the trellis forward from north to south, and then I plant lettuces behind it. So as the cucumbers grow, they provide a little bit of dappled shade for the lettuces growing behind it. And those lettuces will produce into July and August, and it's really nice. So you can utilize this strategy of planting shorter things in the shadow of taller things. As long as you know where north is, you're gonna be great. If you want to learn more techniques like this that help you utilize every square inch of space to the benefit of your plants, check out my online course, Plan Your Abundant Edible Garden. Find more great tips at gardenerd.com and in my books and my other online course on pest control. Consider becoming a Patreon subscriber to support all the free stuff that we do here at Gardenerd, because Patreon supporters get access to behind-the-scenes goodies and monthly hangouts with me. Happy gardening.